Today we're making fried jackfruit with barbecue and jerk sauce. Ingredients include jerk seasoning, coconut aminos, barbecue sauce, grapeseed oil, flour, jackfruit, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Now we're going to make our wet and our dry batter. Add your spices to each one. Add salt to each one. Stir and add water to one of the bowls to make the wet mix. Now let's prep the jackfruit. You want to make sure that you apply the amino acids to each one without breaking the pieces. Place each piece in the wet and dry batter and then place it in the skillet to be fried. As they get golden brown, turn your pieces over. Use the tongs to remove each piece and place them in the mixing bowl. Now let's prepare our sauce. Put about 1 tablespoon of jerk and barbecue sauce, as much barbecue sauce that you need to cover all the jackfruit. Pour your sauce in and mix it around with the jackfruit. We plated our jackfruit with sauteed spinach and oven baked fries. Now it's time to eat.